to cop the vision. We'll be running the night, it's a mission. Yeah, honestly.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I love you guys. Okay, so today's video is all about us playing with makeup, and I've never ever done this colorful look on my channel before, and it's also dedicated to Pride Month. So today's look is created with the new Morphe 25L Live In color. This palette was actually created because of Pride Month. So they have a decent amount of matte and shimmer in the palette. So the packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's like rainbow. Sides are all like rainbow colors. Is amazing, and it's holographic as well. So looking at the palette, it is so beautiful. It's because it has like rainbow colors, of course. I mean, my studio lights is not justifying the palette, but if you want to actually put on like a spotlight to the palette, you can see it's literally, it's a holographic packaging. You can see it's like reflecting, and I'm using like my handphone spotlight right here. I absolutely love it so much, especially when it comes to holographic. Okay, so here are the beautiful shades, and this palette is literally a extremely colorful palette. It's not like a palette that you can use every single day. This is basically an artistic palette where you guys actually play with a lot of colors every single day. Then this palette will actually suit you guys. So if you guys want to see swatches of the palette, I will give you guys swatches in the end of the video. I don't want to talk too much about the palette. I want to go in and do my eye look. Now what I have going on my eyes today. Stay tuned, keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video, guys. So creating this eye look, I literally had to create my own base. What I mean by that is, in order to create this bright, beautiful eyeshadow with so many different colors in it, basically you need to use white color concealer. So this is the second time I actually filmed this makeup look, and I'll throw you a clip right now, show you guys using a normal concealer. The shades and the colors is just not happening. It just made me so frustrated that I had to off the camera. So I had to figure out a way how to make the color actually prominent on my eyelid. So I created my own off-white concealer to conceal my eyes. So moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the cocktail that I mix. I'm priming my eyelids with a beauty blender so it goes on smoothly. First shade I'm going in is called Sunlight. I'm putting that at the inner corner of my eyes at the crease and blending it upwards. So the next shade I'm going in is called Sexuality, and I'm putting it right beside Sunlight, and I'm blending it together with Sunlight. So as I'm blending it, it creates like that fusion of like pink, orange, yellow. Amazing. The next shade I'm actually going in is called Truth, and I'm going to put that at the outer V, leaving a little bit gap between Truth and Sexuality. After blending that out, the gap in between, I'm gonna layer and put #LoveWins, and that is a very soft matte purple, and it just blends Truth and Sexuality together. It's just purple. It's just purple. Oh my gosh. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelids with the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the shade 160. I cut my crease, and then I went in with the shade called Peace at the corner of my eyes, blending it together with Truth. It's a shimmery blue shade, so when you mix it together with purple, it blends together beautifully, creating like that deep smoky look at the end, because blue and purple actually falls in the color spectrum. And then next shade, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the shade Parade, and this is a very nice green matte shade, which I'm blending it together with Peace. Just blend it. Then I'll go ahead and pick up the shade called Thrive, which is a very light green shimmer shade, and then blend it with Parade and Peace. And then I'll go ahead with Art. Definitely say it's like an aqua blue shade, so I put it at the inner corner of my eyes, blending it together with Thrive. Okay, so we have done our eye look, and there are some places that we have not actually covered with the concealer that we applied because it's still wet. So the next shade is called Milk, and I'm using this shade to actually like set my brow bones and my inner corner of my eyes, the places where I never touch when I actually use the concealer. And it's a very soft off-white eyeshadow. It doesn't make it look white, but it just blends into my skin. The last shade is called Liberation, and this is a silverish, bluish, pinkish. It has a lot of like iridescent glitters in it, but very fine glitters. I'm just gonna tap that and tap it all over my eyelids just to give it like a little bit of sheen. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the first shade called Truth and blending it from my outer eye towards the center of my lid, blending it together with my upper lid. And then I went in with Sexuality right at the center and just blend it together with Truth. And then the last shade was Life mixed with Pride for my inner corner of my eyes right here. And after everything was laid down, I used like a clean blending brush and just blend everything together, and just like it just came on perfectly, guys. So for eyeliner, I went in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper Black and did my eyeliner. So for lashes, I used the Ardell Wispes Demi Wispes in the shade Black. So this is actually a very natural eyelashes that I love to use. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. For me, I feel like this mascara is slightly thicker than the Too Faced mascara. For my waterline, I'll be going in with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Very Fan-tastic. So this is the very first time that I actually created the most colorful look on my eyes, and it's making my eyes look, because the color is like so beautiful. Basically, I've been using these 3 products every single day when I do my makeup. So for bronzer, I'll be going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder in the shade Fonce D. This is not a bronzer, this is actually a face powder, but in a very deep shade. And I actually love this bronzer to actually bronze up my face recently, and because some bronzer can be very thick on the skin. If you guys are struggling with bronzers, I recommend you guys to actually try out face powders but in a deeper shade. So for blush, you guys know my favorite is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party right here. It doesn't actually give that much color to my skin, but this just blends in together with my foundation and I don't look like a creepy doll, guys. So when I smile, it just gives a little bit of color. Not that much, but just a little bit, guys. As you can see, blends very beautifully together with my, bronzer. I lost the word there for a second. Sweet boy. Oh my god, now he's biting my husband's leg. Puppies. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm loving this one that I recently purchased. Is the Milani Strobe Light 01 Afterglow Highlighter Strobe Light. This highlighter seems to be a little bit silvery on camera, but on different lightings and setups, it has that sheen of gold to it, which I really like it so much. So right now, it looks like a little bit silvery. For this look, it does really match. I really like it. Just to put a little bit more like different color to it, I'm going to layer it with the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter in the shade You Light Up My Life Chest in the center, because we are medium skin, so we do not want it to look so silvery. We want it to actually blend into our skin tone. And my boy is like literally busy biting me right there. So let me just go ahead and do my lip and I'll be back, guys. So yeah, I am done with my lipstick and I absolutely love this nude combination. For some reason, it's just so beautiful. And if you guys want to see or want me to share the combination of lipstick that I actually put on my lips today, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna put a short video in Instagram, in my IG and in my page, how I actually create this beautiful nude lipstick. So yeah, let's go ahead and set this beautiful face with the most expensive setting spray. Okay, I'm using the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist Setting Spray. Amazing setting spray. Frosty, baby. He's very tired. I'm sorry, just give mommy a bit more. Give mommy a while and then we can go to sleep, okay? So basically my overall thoughts when it comes to this Morphe 25L palette. So this palette would definitely work very well with fair people, I would definitely say. But if you are like medium skin tone, you have to like use like a white concealer in order for these shades to come out. There are so many other shades in this palette that I have not actually used. Yellow eyeshadow, I hope that, you know, Morphe could have done better to make the eyeshadow a little bit more creamy but not drying. The yellow eyeshadow And this palette is very drying. So as you swatch, you can see it literally like picked up on my fingerprint. And when I swatch it, you can like barely see it. It's like gone. It's gone. It's like it's so sheer and it looks super bright in the pan, but I think they could have done better with the yellow, as the other shade where you do have to use like a white eyeshadow base, to be very honest guys. So this is the green right here. So as I'm swatching, you can see it goes away. It becomes very sheer on our skin tone, medium skin tone. For an example, I'm gonna go ahead and like literally do it for you guys right now. So I'm just like gonna put like a white base right here. You're gonna see how I created my own white base. So this is Sexuality right here. Parade, Nature. Can you see how differently it looks with a white base compared to just on my skin? If you ask me, would I recommend this palette to you guys? I would say 50-50. If you are into putting in the work, like white eyeshadow base and everything, and blending it together with your face, if you're medium. So I went in with the most lightest concealer I own, which is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 220. You guys know I bought this concealer for highlighting purposes, but it's very light on my skin. So this is a makeup mixing plate. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with my jumbo eye pencil, which is like literally like a jumbo white eye pencil. Can you see the tip over there? So what I'll do is I literally like broke it off there like that. So I press and just like mix everything up. You see the difference of the swatches right now. I'm gonna give you yellow, like turns out a little bit more brighter. The blue, the art turns out a little bit more brighter. So yeah, so that is how I actually created my eye look. So I really hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, this video is for Pride Month.